Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Esculenta Science. Today we are diving into the world of gluten-free foods and why they are so important for many individuals. You have probably heard about gluten-free diets, but do you know why some people need to avoid gluten? Let's find out. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. For individuals with celiac disease, consuming gluten triggers an immune response that damages the lining of the small intestine. This damage can lead to various symptoms such as abdominal pain, diarrhea, fatigue, and even long-term complications like nutrient deficiencies and osteoporosis. Therefore, those with celiac disease must strictly adhere to a gluten-free diet to manage their condition and prevent further health issues. While celiac disease is one reason for avoiding gluten, there are other conditions like gluten sensitivity and meat allergy that also necessitate a gluten-free diet. Additionally, some individuals choose to follow gluten-free lifestyle for various reasons, including digestive comfort, weight management, and perceived health benefits. As a result, the demand for gluten-free products has soared in recent years, leading to a broader availability of options in grocery stores and restaurants. Despite the increasing availability of gluten-free foods, there are challenges associated with maintaining a gluten-free diet. Cross-contamination, label reading, and social situations can present hurdles for those following gluten-free lifestyles, requiring careful planning and communication. It's essential to emphasize the importance of working with healthcare professionals and dietitians to ensure nutritional adequacy while adhering to a gluten-free diet. In conclusion, gluten-free foods play a vital role in managing conditions like celiac disease and addressing various dietary preferences and needs. By understanding the reasons behind the need for gluten-free options, we can foster inclusivity and awareness in our communities and support those who rely on gluten-free diets for their health and well-being. So this is the overview of gluten-free diets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on food science and nutrition.